So today we are going to get more supplies. What
It's
for?
Another hot day in
Oh
Pennsylvania.
my gosh. Yes, scorching. So what are we picking up today, Michael?
Today we're gonna go look at some materials, just pick up some stuff that we might need for the bus. So there's a building supply outlet. I'm just gonna check some things out so I can start the build.
That's right. Okay, here we go.
Jeez, man, let's get on with it. Yeah, this stuff.
Insulation for the bus. Strong man.
Yeah, nothing so bad. Not crap. Chair.
Getting lumber today. Insulation. Thinking about those windows for the bus. They're $45 a piece, so something we have to think about. Not the thing painting the bus, but we just want to getting excited about working on the inside of the bus for a while. Thinking about rolling the top of the bus might be easier than spraying. Just have to see if they can mix the paint with Rust-Oleum. Whoa. Wait for my help, hon.
Gotta hurry.
Trying to find a lock for our back door. This is not it.
Make sure you check for perk in your Home Depot app.
Rearranging. Because we need to put that lumber in the cart. So are we good to go, you think?
Whether we are or not, I'm ready to go.
We're hungry and tired. All right.
Tired.
And so we head home to work on the bus. So Mike is shutting off something to our heater. We don't need more heat in this 90-degree weather. Wow, that was easy. That was sure easy. What was, is it just a switch?
Just two valves.
Oh.
Full gate
Oh,
valves.
okay. So, you ready to head home?
Need the egg home. Hot water.
Yeah, I'm gonna have some hot water too.
Jeez, man, it's time to get back on the road.
We should pick up a handle for that somewhere.
Somewhere, junkyard.
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 When we pick up our other stuff.